Ever thought about renovating your home but overwhelmed by the potential challenges? Home renovation is an exciting adventure, but like every adventure, it comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the most common hurdles homeowners face is budgeting. It's easy to get carried away with all the beautiful fixtures, finishes, and furnishings available. But remember, no matter how much you love that Italian marble countertop or that handcrafted wooden floor, it's essential to keep a realistic budget in mind. Overspending is one of the quickest ways to turn a dream renovation into a nightmare of debt. Next up is finding reliable contractors. This is a crucial part of the process, and it can be daunting. After all, you're entrusting these people with your home, your personal space. It's essential to do your homework here. Look for licensed, insured professionals with good reviews and solid references. Be wary of anyone who can't provide these or who quotes a price that seems too good to be true. Remember, you're not just paying for their time, but their expertise and the quality of their work. Then there are the unforeseen problems. Anyone who's ever watched a home renovation show knows that there's always something unexpected lurking behind the walls or under the floors. It could be anything from old wiring to hidden water damage. These surprises can be costly and time-consuming, but they're also an opportunity to fix potential problems before they become major issues. But here's the good news. With proper planning and organization, these challenges can be mitigated. A well-thought-out plan can help you stay on budget, find the right contractors, and deal with any surprises that come your way. So don't let these challenges deter you from creating the home of your dreams. After all, overcoming obstacles is part of the journey, and the reward at the end of it is a home that's uniquely yours. Remember, every challenge is easier when you have a plan. And don't forget to subscribe to the ManIkes channel for more insights. So, you're ready to renovate but not sure where to start? It all begins with a plan. Having a clear vision is crucial when it comes to home renovation. You need to know exactly what you want to achieve, and this starts by identifying your needs and wants. Do you need more storage? Do you want a larger kitchen or perhaps a more modern bathroom? It's these details that will guide your renovation process. Also, consider the potential return on investment. Spending thousands on a renovation that doesn't increase your property's value might not be the wisest decision. So always keep an eye on the market trends. And remember, inspiration is everywhere. Look at home decor magazines, browse through Pinterest, or visit home improvement stores. The more you research, the better your plan will be. A well-laid-out plan is the first step to a successful home renovation. Stay tuned for the next step, budgeting, and don't forget to subscribe to the ManIkes channel. Now that you have a plan, it's time to talk money. Budgeting for your home renovation can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Just like any undertaking, it's crucial to have a clear financial strategy. This starts with setting a realistic budget. It's easy to get carried away with glossy magazines and grand designs, but remember, every flourish and feature has a price tag. Start by listing out your must-haves and nice-to-haves. This will give you a clearer picture of where your money needs to go and where you have some wiggle room. Next, consider any unexpected costs that might crop up. It's an unfortunate truth that home renovations often come with surprises, whether it's a hidden structural issue or a last-minute change of heart on the kitchen tiles. By setting aside a contingency fund, typically around 15 to 20% of your total budget, you can navigate these unforeseen expenses without derailing your project. Now let's talk about financing options. While it's ideal to have savings set aside for your renovation, we understand that's not always possible. If you're considering borrowing money, there are several routes you could take. Home equity loans, personal loans, or even refinancing your mortgage can provide the funds you need. But remember, borrowing comes with its own costs and commitments, so it's essential to understand the terms before diving in. Remember, a budget isn't just a number, it's a tool to help you make informed decisions about your home renovation, guiding you on what you can afford, where you might need to compromise, and how to prioritize your spending. It's about managing expectations, not just costs. With careful budgeting, your dream home renovation can become a reality. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the ManIkes channel for more home renovation tips.